And good morning, guys. Sorry I didn't have enough time to do my update yesterday, but we're going to go ahead and just jump into the quick details right now. So there's possible chances of some low and severe weather across portions of southern tip of Illinois. It could also be a little bit more as well, depending on how the system does take place. You'll have the surface low up there, so there could be a low-end tornado threat near the surface low up here as that does track off to the east. And you got the warm front lifting north as well. And you got an additional possible supercell tornadic event down there across the deep south as well. So you're also going to have some severe weather, maybe with the line as it adjusts more off to the east. I haven't looked too much in depth on the details or not, but there could be some low and severe weather, a lot of heavy rain as well coming into portions of central and southern Illinois during Tuesday evening, Tuesday overnight. Much needed rain will probably start to move off to more to the east, kind of affecting more of southern Illinois, southern Indiana. So there's going to be some much needed rain that goes off to the east over there. But like I said, just for right now, there is a slight risk for severe weather across portions of southern Missouri, and you got a marginal risk for severe weather there extending into portions of the southern tip of Illinois, which just cover Carbondale, Marion, Illinois, and even parts of St. Louis. So that's what we're looking at here for severe weather. Let's go ahead and just jump into some quick details here. Because like I said, I've not really jumped into anything or looked at anything of that. So we'll just kind of be looking at this together for the first time because I haven't really looked much into depth. So we'll go all the way out to Tuesday. I want to look at the FE3 model because it's the one model I always like to look at for so the F33 model shows a line of storms late morning on Tuesday from basically the event on Monday, which there's a slight risk off to the east. Looks like some much needed rainfall going to portions of Illinois. Most of Illinois is seeing some rain there on Tuesday late afternoon into Tuesday evening. That spreads off to the east, like I said, much needed rain. And it looks like there's some additional cells there developing near the surface low. With that dry slot punch right there punching on the east side of the surface low. There could be some additional thunderstorms that develop behind that, but that all depends on instability and how much the system does progress. But it's not looking super promising at this point. I just don't really like this setup that's coming in. Even in the M3K, I'm a little bit really bullish as well, but showing a lot of widespread much needed rain across portions of Illinois, Iowa, into Indiana. So I don't think there's going to be much a big time severe weather event down to the south, depending on how much instability does develop and so much force in that storms just all blow up all at the same time, and you limit instability. Too much anvils overplacing each other, a lot of cloud cover, not a lot of sun feeding the storms at the surface. But there's going to be a lot of much needed rainfall overspread into portions of Illinois, Indiana, and Iowa probably starting Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening going into Thursday. So that's what we're looking at, a lot of much needed rainfall. So don't look at the just the severe aspect across the southern tip of Illinois, because there'll be a lot of rainfall going into portions of multi-states across the upper Midwest that we do additionally need. Temperatures also, here's our temperature spread here on Tuesday. Look like most temperatures are just in the 40s across much of northern Illinois. Down south, widespread anywhere between 40s and 50s and 60s. So that's about it. Stay tuned for more later updates, and that's what we're focusing on. It's just upcoming severe weather events, and we'll continue to warm up.